Hi friends, welcome. Today we are going to learn about the very basic concept of electricity. They are electricity. They are voltage, current, resistance, and power. We know that we are using most of these terms frequently in our daily life, even though we are unaware about what it is, what it really means. Now we can enjoy what it really means is. Before that, I may please say you. The measure to unit, the unit of measure of these four, they are unit to measure this voltage is to be measured in volt, and current is to be measured in ampere, and resistance is to be measured in ohms, and power is in watt. Okay, I have already noticed from my childhood itself, most of my friends is unaware about what the term unit to measure is mean. Unit to measure is means. Okay, I may say you that you know that you cannot measure water by uh, by gram. You only buy 1 liter of water, not 1 gram of water. Just like that, you cannot measure rice by liter. You only buy 1 kilogram of butter, 1 kilogram of rice, not 1 liter of rice. That is what you mean by the unit to measure. We want to use kilogram and gram to measure rice, while we want to use liter to measure liquid materials like water, oils, etc. Thus, the unit to measure voltage is volt, current is ampere, resistance is ohms, and power is watts. Okay. Now, may I give you the most easiest way to memorize what this all really means. Okay, let us connect this voltage, current, resistance, and power in electricity towards something that we already know in a water tank system. In a water tank system, voltage resembles the pressure of water, while the current resembles the rate of flow rate of water, while the resistance resembles the size of pipe, and amount collected will resembles the power you used. Okay, I will show you this the relation between these two in the following graphs. Let us see. We are creating a battery and it is connected to a resistance, and then we are using the current to light a bulb. Like that, we are making a tank and we are connecting a pipe towards it, and then we connected a small pipe. Again we are connecting a bigger radius pipe, and we open this pipe at the end and collect the water flows through the pipe into a bucket. I think that you understand what I mean really. As we are much familiar with this second picture because we know that how the water system already works. We can connect the voltage, current, power, and resistance towards this. I have already said that the pressure in water tank resembles the voltage. That means you know that the pressure in water system is absolutely in water tank. Just like that, the voltage is in the circuit begins at battery. Let it be 6 volt or anything else. Battery. That means if the pressure increases, the rate of flow of water to increases through the pipe. Like that, if the voltage increases, the rate of flow of current, that means that current also increases. And I have already said that the size of pipe means the size of pipes in water system means the resistance in electricity in circuits. That means you know you can find here the size of pipe is bigger here, and the pipe becomes smaller and smaller. That means the amount of water passes through the small pipe will become less when the size of pipe become less. Like that, when the resistance increases, the current will become decreases. You can find here when the pipe become smaller and smaller, the amount of water become lesser and lesser. That is how the current and resistance is related. So you may please keep in your mind that the equation V is equal to IR means voltage is equal to current multiplied by resistance. Now we can move to the very final concept, power. Power usually means the amount collected, amount used. Here we can use one bucket of water. Yes, we are collecting one bucket of water. That means just to light this, let this be 10-watt bulb. To light this bulb effectively, we wanted to use 10 watts of power, and the power is to be found just using the equation P is equal to VI or I square R. As we already said that V is equal to IR, P will become voltage is equal to IR, power will become IR into I. That's how we made I square R. Just like that, if we wanted to light up this bulb, we wanted to use 10 watt. If we wanted to light up this effectively, we want to use 10 watt of power. So how can we increase this power? Is only by increasing voltage or only by increasing the current. We can increase the current voltage by increasing the current or by resistance. Just what we learned today is voltage, current, resistance and power. At the very same time, the very basic concept, very basic equations to find that we used in this, they are V is equal to IR and P is equal to VI or IR I square R. Hi friends, I may please say you that you may please do never memorize this. Never memorize this without understanding it. If you don't understand it, you may please keep your eyes closed and revise this video again. I'm absolutely sure that you can easily crack everything in this video. Thank you.